Your shower head does a great job of spraying you down with water. And from time to time, it's important to give it a good cleaning as it can become laced with limescale and calcium buildup, not to mention nasty gunk in general. How exactly to clean a shower head, I'll show you the easiest way to do so in this video. My shower head isn't that dirty, so I'm using this kitchen faucet instead, but it's the exact same cleaning process. All you need is a small baggie, some distilled white vinegar, and a rubber band. Keep a small cleaning brush available as well for a bonus. Here's what to do. Fill up the baggie with the vinegar and submerge the shower head down into the vinegar. Now tie and hold the baggie in place with the rubber band and allow the shower head to soak in the vinegar. The amount of time you allow it to soak is completely subjective. Start with 2 hours. If that doesn't work, bump it up to 4 hours. Heck, in really bad cases, you might even need to let it soak overnight. During this soaking time, the vinegar will loosen up and eat away all that mineral buildup. You'll actually start to notice it start to fall off into the vinegar in the baggie. After the wait time is over, simply pull off the bag. If there are any small remnants on the shower head, you can clean them off with your cleaning brush. Run the water, rinse the shower head off, and you're finished. It looks good as new. If you want to know a guaranteed way to clean your bathroom mirror without streaks, click the video on the screen now, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.